So it looks like a light bulb has burnt out. I'm gonna have to go up there and check it out. We have a house rule around here. Whenever you change a light bulb, you have to tell a light bulb joke. How many psychologists does it take to change a light bulb? None. The light bulb has to want to change. Looks like we just twist it and it comes down. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take them both out, but then I won't be able to see. This is kind of weird. They put a sticker on the light bulb. I'm not sure if you're supposed to take the sticker off, but you leave it on. Well, let's see what it says. Caution, risk of fire. Use only in place of fluorescent lamps specified on label. Direct replacement for the following lamps only. 32 watt, 48 T8. Well, what does that mean?
Warning, evacuation in progress. Leave the building.
There's some writing on the other side, so maybe I'll put this in here and see what the other side says. If you're new here, my name is Jason, and the name of my YouTube channel is called That Hobby. I make home improvement videos and product reviews. I will have a product review playlist at the end of the video for you to check out. If you like these kind of videos, there's a subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. And if you've got any good light bulb jokes, leave them in the comments below, because I got some more light bulbs to change and I'm always looking for some good jokes. Well, it doesn't say. I can't quite read what it says up there. Lamps contain mercury. Dispose accordingly to local, state, and federal laws. And then it's in different languages. It says nothing on here about watts or anything. Lamps do look nice though. Okay, so here's the directions on here. It says I did a couple things wrong. It says you should turn the light off before you change the bulb. And then it says here, do not look directly at the operating LED tube. So I shouldn't have done that. Do not touch this product with wet hands. I think my hands are okay. Alright, so the big question was, on that warning, it says to only use, only use the T8 Type A. Even though I couldn't find any writing on the lamp itself, I had replaced it a while ago, and I had saved the box. So I can see here on the box, it says T8 Lamps. Use two 32 watt T8 lamps. So I got the right bulbs. So it's always a good idea to keep the box for a while, or at least take pictures of it, and then you could refer back to it. So we know we got the right lamps in there. Okay, so here's some of the warnings. If you're not sure which one to use, some of the cautions here to know that you did it wrong. It says, caution, risk of fire if the lamp or luminaries exhibit undesirable operation, buzzing, flickering, etc. Immediately turn off power, remove lamp from luminary, and contact manufacturer. So everything looks good. I don't see any flickering or buzzing or hear any buzzing or anything. All right, so I think we got it replaced. Now we got some light in here. Now I can clean up my workbench and make some videos over here. If you want to see some of my product reviews, I'll have them in a product review playlist right here.